Roll. Okay, today guys, I will show you how to make your very own army board. So, first, you want to make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks wide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, actually, I haven't gotten that part done yet. But, stick around if you want to see it. So, right now I'm adding the 6 columns. So that's 6 columns. Just so you guys know, 6 columns tall, or 6 blocks. No, 6 blocks long. 6 blocks. Now, you want to start putting them on top. So, you use as much Jenga blocks as you can. Or any other type of block you use. I like Jenga blocks because they're all rusty. You know, kind of looks like an army base. Have you ever seen a photo of an army base? They're all rusty, beat up. And because it's the only supply I have. More videos like this, then hit that subscribe bell, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos. This is my first video ever made, so my name is Caleb. I hope I get a lot of likes and some support. For my first video, I don't want to just be shooting out gigantic. I just want to get some good numbers, like maybe 100. Maybe that's all. And then I'm gonna have to come over to look at the camera to see if the video comes off, because that every once in a while, because that's been happening a lot in my videos. Well, I've been trying to make videos, but it just doesn't work. So I have to check every once in a while. Okay. Just starting. Keep going. Keep going. So you want to make this about how many blocks high you want to. It doesn't matter. You need to make it as tall as the army. Or tall enough for where the army men are going to be peeking out. Now, if this was a real army base, you would need a lot more than this. You need to use every block. Well, you get to choose that. But if you want to make yours a big army base, every block. Now you want to put some in front, which is optional. If you don't want to put some in the front, just do this part, the part where the army men are going to just peek out. You can do that. But I recommend to do that. Again, it's optional. Not my choice. Jenga's got loops. Now you wanna set up everything. You wanna set up all the stuff in the army men last. You can place them wherever you want. I like to place them like this. Alright, I think the video is about to turn off, so I gotta look. Nope, and we're good. So now, I'm gonna start putting up the walls and stuff like that. Now I'm using 2 different type of armament. Cheap ones and one that's a lot of money. So technically, see these right here, these are the cheap ones. See, it's not really that good looking. Not really that good. But these are the nice, a lot of money. They're expensive. Those are the good ones that you want to buy. Unless you just want to stick with the cheap, there's pretty much no difference. Doesn't matter. I want to make this video as long as I can, which isn't going to be that long, unless this phone doesn't have any problems. I can go as long as I want, but there's not going to be a very high chance that's going to happen. It's going to be very low, but still, you gotta have hope in your